Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Halfway Through the Week, being Wednesday, November 6th of 2019. And here are our morning announcements for today. Parent-teacher conferences are happening tomorrow, Thursday, November 7th, but also our book fair is happening tomorrow too, after school from 3 o'clock till 7 o'clock, the same hours as parent-teacher conferences. So if you want to buy a book or get something from the book fair, tomorrow will be a great day to do it. It will not be open on Friday. The next time the book fair would be open would be on next Monday, November 11th. For our birthday list, we do not have any birthdays to announce for today, which goes into our next part of our lunch choices. So we have beef and cheese nachos, Bosco breadstick, or easy pizza fun on the run. And today we have our third grade students to talk about Veteran Appreciation for Veterans Day next Monday.
All right, boys and girls, continuing our thanks to veterans this week, we have third grade here to give thanks to our veterans.
Thank you for keeping our earth clean. Thank you for protecting our Thank you for our country. Thank you for making sacrifices. Thank you for your service.
Those are great things. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much for those suggestions, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. Please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everybody have a wonderful day today. Remember, boys and girls, tell your parents that parent-teacher conferences and the book fair will be happening tomorrow on Thursday, November 7th. Have a wonderful day.